Oh, oh wow. We're here today together in the stormiest weather. Man, oh man, what a plan at hand. Bada bum, bada bum, bada bada. My milkshake. Somebody posted it in Big Money, Texas. Water to the world. It should be 167, right? Yeah, it's 167. Water to the world. Oh, I didn't even see this person. Hold on, let me ban this person. What's up, Kakashi WW? Long time no see. Long time no see. Long time no see. Nothing much. What's going on with you? Can you hear me? Everything okay? I got this loud ass AC on in the background. In the background. Whatever. Don't you dare slow down. I'm glad everything is fine, brother. Well, these days, I am working in human resources. And I'm studying for multiple things. Oh, hold on. This was a great. Yes, sir. I'm doing the SQL. Ooh, that's bright. Why Windows? to the wire. All right, let's see. Oh, we were going over the different types of subqueries because I had just learned about subqueries. Make sure you like and subscribe. The 4 kinds up front: scalar, list, derived, correlated. Okay. Okay, so which one were we on? Early bird gets the worm. I've been going to sleep early. Like, I'll get home and I'll just go to sleep. Straight up. Straight up sleep. And then I wake up at this time. I've been good, Eclipse. How you been doing? How y'all been doing? How's the world been treating y'all? Hold on, which one? I think, which one did I leave off on? I know I finished 1, but then I finished 2. It don't matter. I can do it again. I plan on having a longer stream this time. Oh, no. I went to sleep early when I got off of work. So, nah. Alright. So, I guess what I'll do is I'll move this over here so that y'all can actually see the problems that I'm trying to solve. And the timer will be right here. And I'll just minimize this. And okay. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is number 7. Do y'all want me to post the HRS practice DB file in the, like, so y'all can do this too if y'all want? I don't know. It's up to y'all, whatever. So anyway, this is a lot of, y'all know I don't like, hold on, because there has to be a way to activate it. So we go to File, Edit, Preferences. Okay, I'll post it. Hold on. And then we have application style. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Y'all. Y'all know I cannot stand I can't stand on light thing. I'm gonna post it right now. So I'm gonna go to the Discord. Man, hold on. What's in art? Oh, I thought I was gonna see some crazy stuff. Oh yeah, somebody actually drew this. I remember that. Resources. So I'm going to post. So here's the HRX practice. And then I'm going to download. I guess I'll just print it as a PDF. I'll save it as a PDF. Unless you can open. No. I'm a just. All right, there we go. So if y'all want to play along, Maximus the Gamer, what's up? What, were y'all trying to do this together or something? Y'all doing SQL? Y'all got DB browser? Y'all got everything set up already? Y'all need to. Actually, I'm not gonna wait for nobody. I gotta keep going. Time is not on my side. Okay, so I got my database structure, and for the most part, we're in employees. So usually what I do is I'll do select all from employees. F5 to run it, and then we can see the schema, the table. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, it says active headcount by department ID, highest first, check 10 rows, department 1 has 59. So we want active headcount by department ID. So we're going to select department ID count as headcount from employees. From employees where termination underscore date is null. Then we can group by all right. Y'all can still see me and hear me, because I think my thing dipped. Having connections issues. But it's okay. Oh shit. All right, so okay, soon I'm gonna move into my new place. I'm gonna have better internet. So group by department ID. Oh, I already did it. Oh no. Oh, it already does it. My bad. So we did that aggregation, group by having case, whatever. All right. All right, the next one. For active employees, show head count and average salary by employment type. Check 3 rows, full-time averages. So for active employees, show head count and average. Okay, so from no, we're gonna do select and what's the structure again? think what I can do is go to average salary and round that, and then say 1, or can I say 0? Can I say nothing? Oh, or can I put nothing? Oh, it'll always be okay, whatever. All right, so that's that. Okay, so we did number 8. All right, number 9. Count separations by termination date, reason most common first. Count separations by termination date. So we're going to select count separations by termination reason. Select termination reason count separations from employees where termination date is not null. Group by termination reason. What's up, Ross? Group by termination reason. Most common first. The most common would mean oh no. Hold on, I can't group by separations, can I? Oh, I can. I can't order. I can order by. Okay, I didn't know I could do that. Active headcount by location, but only locations with more than 50 people. Check 4 rows. Active headcount by location. Active headcount by location count Can I do that? No. I can't use an aggregate like that. I think this is the one I ran into problems with. Oh shit. They crashed a vehicle into one of the houses down the street from me. That's insane and scary. Hold up. So I can't say group by location having misuse. Oh, okay, never mind. Okay. Split all separations. This is the one that I think was difficult for me. Split all separations into voluntary and involuntary, showing both the count in each as a percentage of all separations. Split all separations into voluntary and involuntary. Oh my God. This is where the subquery comes in. So I want a percentage of all separations. And because I want a percentage of all separations, I need to get a total of all separations. So okay, yeah. So this count will still be a part of the other query. So that will be the total of this. So we're going to get this, and then this count is going to be a part of all of this filtering, right? So we want the count. So we got the total count. And to get, how do you get the percentage? So let's say, Lord, I need to take another math class. So okay, so let's say we have 50, and do we divide that by 25 times 10? No. 25 divided by 50 times 10. Hold on. Select termination type, count, as separations, select, count. So then what's the next thing that I need to do? So I got the full count, and I need to get the total separations now. I need to get the total separations, but this is the total separations, and it's hold on, I'm getting confused. Okay. So the count is the total separations. But what I want is a particular. Let's see what happens when I do this. Okay. Select count from employees. Where termination date is not null. This is the same thing I got last time, and I'm messing up. No, that can't be right. So we select count from employees where termination date is not null. Okay. So before we do that, okay. So that's the individual count. So I got the individual count. Okay, yeah, I was doing that backwards. Yeah. Okay. It's okay. We're tracking. It's okay, Chris. Okay. That's okay. All right. Okay, why is that? It's 0. That means, are these the same? They should be the same. Yes. Yes. Oh, what am I doing? I'm confused. So what I want is the total count. Can I get the total count, please? The total count is separations. So I need the total count. I need the total. There's something I'm missing. There's something I'm missing. Oh, that's the total. There's something I'm missing here. There's something I'm missing here. It's something, it might be something to do with this. But I remember I had to use like a round or something. Okay, I'm not trying to do that. Okay, I'm doing here to aggregation again, and I'm on number 11. But I feel like I'm forgetting something. And what is that something that I'm forgetting? Or can I just multiply this times? Okay, so integer division, that's the missing integer division with 39 divided by 183 with both sides integers. SQL chops the decimals. Both rows come back 0, no error. You also don't have anything scaling it to a percentage. Okay, so this is, okay, oops. Okay, so this is what I got. Hold up. Yeah, it'll know. So if anybody's new here and anybody's wondering, why is AI open on the right-hand side? There's ways you can use AI without AI doing the work for you, right? And so, hold on. It says mine has an advantage worth noting. It reads in the order you think about. Count, make it a decimal, divide by the total. The reason it works in a plain. Do I want to round the whole thing? Well, that's true. I do want to round the whole thing because that is a little crazy. All right. So, okay, let me explain something because a lot of people probably don't understand. So, the way I use AI is to learn, and the way you use AI to learn is by telling it not to give you the answer. I already did this previously, so I'm reviewing. So I don't ask AI to solve it for me, but I do ask it because I already have some stuff in here, like with the memory stuff that'll let it, that already has it configured to where it's not gonna like um just give me the answer. So what I did with AI was really high up in this chain of conversation over here. I asked it to create some worksheets. So you ask AI to create some worksheets, and then it'll create an answer bank, an answer key as well, or whatever. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going through the questions. So I'm trying to get into human resource information systems, right? And I wanted to learn skills that they need. So one of those skills is, a couple of those skills are SQL, Excel, Power Query, and Power BI. Correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. Um, and then I said, okay, well, let's start with SQL. So then I said, okay, I did this other. I finished this website. I finished every lesson here, right? And then I was like, okay, well, I need to do more. And so I was like, okay, well, it's time to move on to an actual like environment where I'm using SQL instead of in the browser at the bottom right here. So I found out that there's something called DB browser. And then I was like, okay, well, can you create some data related to human resources? And so it created a file for me. I'm gonna show y'all. So it created this. Hold on, where is it? This database right here. It'll create a database for you, right? It'll go ahead and do it for you. Blah 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 blah. It'll do all that. So you get it to do all that, and then you say, hey, well, can you create exercises based on this data? And that's where we're at right now. So there's ways to use AI without like using it as a crutch. It can be used for educate. It can be used to educate yourself. So that's my whole. That's my whole. That's my whole thing. Uh, it can be used in positive ways. It doesn't have to be used as. It's just like the internet. Like it's just like the internet. It is the internet. Uh, so we did that. It's oh no. We did this wrong. Let's put one right here. Okay, yeah, because I need it to be 78.7%. Yeah, there we go. So yeah, that's right. So I need to remember that when you do integer math in SQL, when you divide, it's going to give you a 0. So let me ask that question. So anytime I do integer integer division, I'll get 0. No, you. Oh, I get it. Oh, okay. You'll only get oh, because it came back at 0 point something. So it just chopped off all the decimals and gave me the 0. So it looks like there was nothing there. Oh, I'm slow. Because it's not a float. But you could cast it to a float, I'm assuming. How do I cast as a float in SQL? Cast count as real. Okay, I didn't know that you would see this more often. I just did that out of nowhere. Just because I'm like, if it needs a decimal, then why don't we, whatever. But anyway, let's move on because we learned our lesson, and I don't need to sit here and love on myself because I got that right, because that's what I'm doing right now. Okay. 12. Hires per calendar year. Use I need to there has to be a word for what this is. What does stand for? Because okay, string format time, it formats the time value. String format time. There we go. String format time. It comes from C. The standard library has had since 1980s, and it's spread from there into Python, PHP, Ruby, and SQL. The naming convention is a C-ism. STR for string, F for format, time for what's being formatted. There's a matching string parse time that runs other direction, turning a formatted string back into a date. That's cool. So you can combine them into any shape. Oh, you can come. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. So number 12, hires per calendar year. Check 12 rows, 2015 through 2026. So we want to check hires per calendar year. So we're going to select count. No, we're gonna do the year first. We're going to select we need the okay, let me see something. Hire date. We're going to string format time, and we want the year. So that's a percentage and a Y, I think. Yeah. And then we're going to do hire date, and we're going to say as year hired. And then we're going to do count as amount hired from employees okay, so that's pretty much. And then we're gonna group by year. Can I group by that? Okay, I can. Okay, cool. Group by year hired. Having, hold on, do I do it like this? Having year, what's up? Having year hired greater than or equal to 2015. Can I do two ands? Is that in SQL? And less than, okay, no. I'm gonna just do and year underscore hired less than or equal to 2026. Oh God. Or we can do between, right? Okay, between 2015 and 2026. Is that gonna work? No. Is it a string or is it a number? Does it? Oh, does it? Is it because of the type? It is because of the type. Okay, so we got between, and now it says check 12 rows. We got 12 rows. Okay, there we go. So, where termination date? Okay, I'm gonna start using between. That seems like a 3 things to know. Order matters. Low value first. Between 75,000 and no error, just an empty result. It only saves typing. There's no performance difference and no behavior difference from writing the 2 comparisons out. Use whichever reads better. The date time trap. Between on a column storing timestamps rather than plain dates. Silently excludes anyone with a time component on December 31st. Since December 31st of 2025 at 12:15 is greater than 2025. Well, December 12th, 2025. I'm at midnight. Oh, okay, I see. Okay. Yo, what's gooder in the hooder? Oh brother, you're about to get like straight up blocked. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. For each job code with 10 or more active employees. For each job code. Okay, so let me just select from employees. So they said for each job code with 10 or more active employees, show headcount, lowest salary. Okay, so let's do it. So we're gonna select job underscore codes, right? And then we're gonna say with 10 or more active employees, we're gonna do count as headcount, lowest salary. So we want min current salary as lowest salary. Then they said we want high salary, so we want max current salary as, I spelled lowest wrong, as highest salary. And then we want average I don't think I can say where count. But you know, this will be a great place to start practicing sub queries or whatever. Select count. I don't think I can even do it like that. Nah, I'm not gonna do that. There's no column called job code. Oh, there's a column called job code. Somewhere I messed up. They want every job code. So for each job code with 10 or more act. Oh, all right, there we go. And I'm just gonna go ahead and round. And I think I can do 2 because that's how. Yeah. So that's better. Yeah. So look, we did it. Yay! And we get a break, and then we can go to tier 3. I should go get a snack. Chris, you should go get a snack. Yeah, let me go get a snack. More a popping and a going and a going and a popping. Oh, Papa. Seafood. The hell is that? Oh, The hell is this? Hey boy, what you gonna do? Bad boys, what you want? What you want? Oh, this is bright. I look light skinned at it. There we go. That's a proper tone. Bad boys. Looking like I'm Caucasian from the Caucasus Mountains of Caucasia. From Eurasia. Cream. Cream de la creme. Cream of the cream. Do do do. Do do do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Got some. Let's see what games are on Steam because I think I want to play a game this weekend. I think I do. Wait. This internet is messing up for real. Internet. It's co-op. Survival horror. That's a new body. Let me go get my popcorn real fast. Warmed up in there. All right. Uh, all right. Man, I'm here. I had a good work week. For real. Pretty good work week. The sound ain't too much, right? This rain sound ain't too much. You know what I haven't had in a long time? A good 4-hour study session. Anybody else have a good week? Oh my God. Y'all are free to talk about your week in the chat. Talk about whatever in the chat. Does your booty itch? Did you wash your gooch? Talk about it. Be yourself, homeboy, homegirl. Love your neighbor. Um, I um, I think work has been good. I think there's a few improvements I can make. I noticed that when I talk to my coworkers, my days are great, but I like days when I'm focusing on the work. Like we've been having a little slow period. So I'm trying to fill my time with stuff. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah. I don't know how y'all feel, but sometimes at work when I talk, I feel like we're stressed at the end of the day. I really have a good day when I'm just diving into my work. Like people are tired of. It's hard to respect somebody that don't work. For real. I think another thing I want to stop doing, you know, this gonna sound fucked up. Expressing my mind. Nobody cares about this shit. They just want you to do what they want you to do. Shut the hell up. Which is fine. I'm getting paid. Sometimes I speak my mind. I'm gonna start in a second. I want to finish my popcorn. I'm fucking up this popcorn. Also, I'm really excited to have my own place.